Let me show you how to crochet a flower that beginners can make in under 5 minutes. This easy crochet flower uses basic stitches and absolutely no sewing. Start with a slip knot, then work simple chain stitches and triple crochet stitches to make the petals. Take it slow. This flower comes faster than you think. Make 5 chains. Triple crochet into the first stitch. Again, do 2 triple crochet into the same stitch. Four chains. Slip stitch into the same center. Now second petal, same as the first petal. Chain 4. 3 triple crochet into the same center. Then chain 4. Slip stitch into the center. Pull the yarn to tighten the stitch. Repeat the second petal for rest of the 3 petals. Once you make one, you'll want to crochet flowers in every color. When you reach the end, slip stitch into the same center to complete the last petal. Pull the yarn to tighten the stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. And just like that, your crochet flower is done. This is one of those projects that looks cute, feels satisfactory to make, and works great as crochet accessories. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like. It really supports my channel. Let me know in the comments. Would you like more beginner crochet items that you want to make? And don't forget to subscribe for more easy crochet tutorials. You can use this crochet flower for bags, hats, blankets, shirt buttons, gifts, or even keychains. Save this crochet flower tutorial and follow for more easy beginner crochet projects.